Hey friends, welcome back. I'm in Bangkok right now. This video though, I'm going to be taking a train from Bangkok to the north of Thailand to Chiang Mai. It's going to be an all-day thing, like 11 or 12 hours tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice. You have the option to take the overnight train or the daytime train, and I chose the daytime train because like you can see the Thai countryside and I hear it's pretty nice, so I said why not. I don't really know what to expect. The train that I took in the last video was like super old and falling apart, so maybe it's gonna be like that. I kind of hope. I'm excited to see the Thai countryside. I gotta get up super early tomorrow, so I should get to bed. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, today is the day we're heading up to Chiang Mai. Just gotta get my stuff together and we'll be heading out here. Apparently the Bangkok train station is like quite a sight to see as well. Goodbye, super awesome room. Yup. This place is so raw. It's incredible. The train station specifically. So many locals and like all of the stuff here looks like it's gonna be shipped as well. So cool. And the trains are really old. Some of them are really old, I should say. I'm rather early and I have some time to kill, so check this place out. Didn't know or couldn't tell already, I love trains, riding on them, looking at them, learning about them, everything. They're so cool. They're fascinating to me. So I'm hyped for this day. Not everybody would be hyped for a 12-hour train ride, but I'm hyped. Might as well enjoy it. It's so important to pack food. I made a couple sandwiches, have some apples, I got some chips, peanuts, water, Gatorade. It's so important because like on a ride like this for 12 hours you're gonna get so hungry and like then get cranky, so always gotta have the grub. We going. We moving. Turns out we get food. Okay guys, you gotta check this out. I was a little scared to see the toilet, and I can't say I'm scared, but I'm just like amazed. This is so cool. This is so fun. Look at that. Step on it. I made it here to Chiang Mai. It's like a northern city here in Thailand. And the train travel wasn't bad, honestly. I'm gonna go over a few things, but overall it was pretty chill. The seats were comfortable. The one thing was it was long. It was like a good 11 hours. So if you don't like long train travel, I would recommend doing the night train. You could sleep. Obviously they have beds. That's much different than the seats that the train I was on had. It was really nice to see the Thai countryside. It was like rice field after rice field after rice field. Basically, I couldn't like film that well. The windows were super dirty, so it was like hard to get good shots. To be completely honest, the bathroom was the biggest surprise. It had the open window, which was really cool, so much fresh air, and that was an experience in itself. As you saw, it was the best view of the whole train, not gonna lie. That was, I think, my favorite part. As weird as it sounds, it was really funny. For some reason, the train would randomly smell like urine, which was a little weird and not ideal, of course. Thankfully, it wasn't nearly the whole time, and it was like just occasionally. I'm not sure why. As far as temperature goes, it definitely had AC, but it got pretty hot towards the end. They had these fans, and I wish they turned them on, but I don't know why they did not. Another really nice surprise of the journey was that they had food. We got like little cups of curry, chicken curry, and rice, and some snacks and water. It was super good. Like honestly, the food was better than all the airplane food that I had just a few days ago coming overseas. It was actually quality, and I'm thoroughly surprised. The whole journey cost around like $20 or $30 for 11 hours. So it's like, I mean, it's a fair price, I think. I honestly prefer train travel over bus because on train travel, the tracks are often just beyond the road. So you get a little bit of a different perspective that you normally wouldn't see on the road. We drove by villages, we drove through some small towns, just rice field after rice field. It was great. Saw people working, saw people playing, it was a good view of local life. And yeah, that's really it. I wish I could have filmed more, like I said, but it really wasn't looking the best. If you're pressed for time, I would suggest taking the night train, of course. But if you're not, I highly recommend doing the daytime train. It is a great view, it's chill, it's smooth, it's just long. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video, this review kind of thing. Let me know if there's any more questions. Train travel in Thailand is fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one from Thailand. That is all. Thank you, friends. Have a good day. Peace out.